you want to learn how to match your paint for the paint store perfectly, watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. It's foolproof. Okay, so to touch up my wall and get the perfect paint match, I decided to do this. I chipped off a little piece there and I took it to the paint store and they were able to match it up perfectly. So now, only thing I am going to do is patch that back up if I want to. I don't have to because this covers it. And no one will be none the wiser. No harm, no foul. Okay, so only thing I am going to do, that little piece that I took off, I'm going to fill that back in. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. And I'm going to fill it up. It don't take much, and I really don't have to do it because you can't see it. And I'm just going to fill it in. Be very careful, guys, if you're around an electrical switch. When that turns white, I'm going to sand it a little bit, put another little coat on there, and then I can paint that and put my plate back on. And that's it. Okay, guys, well, the putty is dry, so only thing I am going to do is sand it. Nice and smooth. I'm going to wipe it. I got my little paint here. Got me a little piece of sample paint. Shake it up a little bit. I mean, this is perfect. If you just want to match it. Because they have a machine at the paint store that can just match it up for you. And under here, I really didn't have to do this if I didn't want to, because you won't see it. That's going to dry. And that's all to it. All right, guys, well, that is it. You will get the perfect match every time. Well, guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and be kind to one another. And I'll talk to you later. Mwah.